Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy, iSilverhawk here, and today it's nighttime. As you can tell, I have my light on so you guys can see. We're at a church. That was Amber. Okay, we're at a church, and obviously it's night, but you know it's still a little bright. It's not like full on dark. But yeah, we're here. I just want to say that that van has been there like almost a year.
Yeah, but
I have a stick.
and if they cut me, if people try and kidnap us,
That's true. Yeah, we're at a church. Oh, look at the speed bumps right here. That's a nice wind. See that there, guys? That's a nice wind. Oh, look at that creepy tree. Oh. No. It's okay. Oh, look at the creepy tree right here. Alright, let's walk back. Yeah, guys, I didn't really know what to film. Never filmed in a while. But yeah, I was gonna go to a farm and we're gonna do some gun shooting. But weather's gonna be poopy, so we can't. Ow, he just whipped me over. Look at this, guys. Just sticking right out of the ground. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, look at the stick. That's a nice wind.
Why do you keep on saying that?
I want to.
Can you show me? Point the camera.
No.
Yeah.
Handicap parking.
That's this.
Okay, guys, I'll check back if you guys.
Take this stick.
Oh yeah, I'll check back if you guys. In a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Just found this monster stick. Actually, Amber found it. Oh, it's huge.
Yeah.
Do you guys know in those like little cowboy videos they always have this big musket almost? I'll hold it up. It's pretty heavy. Huge musket. Oh! I'm gonna lift it up again. No. Alright, guys, I'm gonna smash it down over here.
And then when people kidnap you, they can see you.
Nobody's gonna kidnap us. I know you're. She's only scared. Okay, let's get back to the house.
And when it's dark, you can see, you know?
Oh yeah, it's definitely darker now.
Yeah.
You guys, tell me if you've heard this noise in horror movies. And then it stops. You wanna go walk around the edges a little? Let's go.
I want to say hi to Monica.
I don't know where she is, but not in the video.
It's the second backyard.
Not in the video. Yo, look at this tree, guys. Yo, this tree is deep. Yo, what is that? I want to go down there, but I do at the same time. Yo, what is that? Yo. What is that? Yo, this looks like some type of toy. Hold on.
Hi, Monica.
Okay. This looks like some type of toy for a kid.
Oh, it's a little ball. What?
Okay, I'll check back with you guys in a second. Okay, so guys, we are back and I'm chopping down a tree here. It's our Minecraft Let's Play.
Chopping down finger thing.
Ha! Alright, let's go back. Oh yeah, chopping the thingy thing.
It's a ball.
Alright, guys.
Look at that hole.
Yo, look at the moss growing here. Like,
Oh my god, that thing right there.
what?
This is what I thought it was like a tarantula.
Oh! Ha! Ooh.
You can see your neighbor.
Oh, look at all the... Yo, we need to throw that again. Yeah. They're breaking. Look at all thin there.
What?
Look at how tall the church is.
Show me.
No. It's okay, Amber. I'll show you in the next video. I'll show you in the next video. Literally, stop. Amber, I'll show you in the next video. Alright, guys, I'll take back with you. Oh, look at this first. That's a nice wind. Alright, we'll take back with you guys when we're near. Yeet. We're back.
We're not at home yet.
Ready, guys? Huh? Look at the gate here, guys.
What?
A big gate.
No.
Someone just pulled this away. Alright, guys. Check back with you guys in a second. Okay, so guys, we are back. That's not a car down there, don't worry. That's light. Okay. Yeah, do you know what I thought this? I thought this was some type of bomb shelter, eh, Amber?
Mm-hmm.
When I first got here, like, listen to this. Doesn't it sound like stainless steel? Oh, I'll get on top of this. Wait, watch this, guys. Hey, look, there's a old rusted lock on this thing. Can we get up?
You have to have a little stick to get into there. A
Wait,
little.
should we get in there?
You have to have a little stick that perfectly goes in. A skinny.
Ooh. Getting up here, guys.
My
I'm
friend,
afraid.
my neighbor Monica, knows someone came up.
Yes!
She opened that.
Okay, I'm gonna get back down. Oh, this is sketchy. Oh, it's sketchy. Ha! Ooh. Bye-bye. Let's get back inside. Alright, guys. This has been a little video. Check back with you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, do.